guys.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Rachel!
Yeah. Guys, you gotta get her inside. What's that? Right there.
Right to space! I can see your smile. Where's your smile? Yeah, great. One more time.
Dauert so lange.
Okay. Hey guys, everyone, good to meet you.
Oh, it's top.
And over here to your right, please. Nur ja nicht die Hand reinmachen. Genau.
Okay, once more to the right, please.
To the right side, please. To the right side.
Right side.
Right side,
Over here to your right.
we stand on the right side, please. On the right side.
And a big flag.
One more kiss.
Over here to your right. And we'll look to the right. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Rachel, over here. Just one look here.
And Josh, one more.
Oh. And over here to your right. To your right over here.
Josh, please here. We stand on the rain.
Excuse me. Can you come back, please? Und hier hinten? Die wollte ihr Vater noch mal auftragen, den Anzug.
Stunning.
Ich glaube, das war
Sehr chaotisch, oder? Ja, ein bisschen chaotisch. Sie ist so süß.
Jetzt nochmal zum Ende hier unten. Einmal winken.
Okay, super. Danke, ciao.
Herzlich willkommen, einen wunderschönen guten Abend. Willkommen zur Europapremiere von Songbirds and Snakes. Toll, dass Sie alle da sind, toll, dass ihr da seid. Ja, wir freuen uns, in einem vollbesetzten Kino zu sein und den Film zu sehen, der wirklich ein Kino braucht. Ja. We have the cast and great creative talent with us. So it's a joy that in these times it's possible for the first time, Dominic said it, for months that we can join. We will be joined by the team.
Vielen, vielen herzlichen Dank. Nimmst am besten die Treppe hier. Hier geht's am besten Fall runter.
If you have never seen a Hunger Games movie before, I think you're going to love this movie. And I think if you are a fan of the Hunger Games movies and books, I think you're going to love this movie even more. There's just a huge sense of history, the origins of characters, the origins of songs.
I like to think the main theme is really nature versus nurture and how human beings are not born bad. It's really compelling to see a villain origin story, and obviously Donald Sutherland played such an iconic villain, and to see Tom kind of step into those shoes so gracefully, it's really wonderful. They can expect the Hunger Games that they know and love, but to see the origin of it and see how it became to be, I think The Hanging Tree is really compelling for audiences and appealing for them to come see it. And just, you know, Suzanne is the reason that this franchise is so successful, and she wrote an amazing book, and in my opinion, that's reason enough for people to come.
This is wild. I can't believe I'm here, and very thankful to be here, and really just glad that we all get back together and celebrate the film. I think the really beautiful thing about this film is that you get to see Corio kind of becoming the man who he eventually becomes, so we get to kind of fall in love with him a little bit before we fall out of love with him, for obvious reasons, and really just like the depth of Suzanne Collins' writing that allows us to like really go under the covers of the movie and of the story and the world.
I mean, whether you're a fan of the series or you haven't read anything and you don't know much about it, I think it's still an incredibly entertaining movie with insane performances from the entire cast. Yeah, and I don't know. Those are things that I want to see in a movie.
Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. I'm really, really, really thankful that we get to do this. You know, we kind of got here and we hit the ground running. We started doing a bunch of press this morning, and it's just, it's given me the opportunity to kind of reminisce, and it's making me very nostalgic. You know, this is where we filmed the movie. Something about this movie that I think is really great is it kind of, you know, asks the viewer and some of the characters in the movie, like, what is humanity? What's humanity's innate nature? And it poses that question through the perspective of our protagonist, Coriolanus Snow, and how he kind of goes on his journey to be what ends up being the villain in the original trilogy.
First of all, I love Berlin. We shot the movie in Berlin. The crew was all Berlin-based, and so the fact that we get to come here and share it with, you know, the Berlin fans and the German fans and be with the German crew, it's unbelievable. I love it.